Here's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With looks this good, it doesn't have to behave this responsibly, but it wouldn't be an E-Class otherwise. From the engine to the robust safety suite, you'll love every response. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, refrigerated box located in the glove box, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, sport suspension, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,